Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the home page of this channel. Thank you. Hey, tomorrow is Tuesday. Let's get our stuff ready to go for our work tomorrow. Going back to work. Where's my eggs? So I did this the other day and I really liked it. I cracked the 2 eggs into my container. So I'm going to do that. I'm not going to mix them up. I'll wait till I get to them tomorrow. At work, I'll just use a fork. So I'll have the eggs. I'm going to put some of the breakfast. It's just ground pork. I'm going to put some of that in here. There we go. That with it, and then some cheese, and that's going to be my breakfast tomorrow. Oh hey, I'm going to take a little bit of avocado too. Hold on just a second. With this being a newer thing, I'm still trying to weigh it out. I'll do 25 grams is 40 calories. I don't want to do a full serving. 50 is a full serving, and that's 80 calories. So I'll do 25. So, because I took a nice chunk of the pork sausage. And then we'll put in a little splash of everything bagel. There we go. And that was the frozen avocado. So tomorrow, whenever I get to work, I just kind of mush it up. So that right there will be my breakfast. So as you know, I made up my salad already, and I'm going to actually transfer it to here because tomorrow I'm going to have a Southwestern bowl. I'll have the same stuff that's in here, and except I was going to add bread and butter pickles. I am not. I am going to add a little bit of raw yellow squash. I'm going to add a little bit of peppers. And then there's that. I'm going to add in some seasonings. So I will add in some little bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of adobo, some Dano spicy, and some roasted garlic. Where's the lid? So I'll put this in there, and in the morning I will microwave my ground beef. Where did it go? Hang on. So got my ground beef, and we're gonna add oh, I don't need any salad dressing tomorrow. Oh, there it is. I am going to add, yeah, I'm a little bit spacey right now. I'm going to add this cheese wedge to my ground beef. So whenever I warm up the ground beef, it'll have some cheese in there with it. If you have Greek yogurt, that would be good. I'm going to add in just a little bit of sriracha. And let's see. So I've got some Mateo's medium salsa. I'm going to add that over here to this. Let me have a little bit of control here. 30 grams is a serving. I'm going to probably do 60 grams. All right. So we've got some salsa. I'm going to add some of these pickled red onions. Again, just trying to get rid of them a little bit. Or trying to use them up in good ways. So I'll put that in there. I know I already have peppers in there, but I'm going to add some of these roasted red bell peppers. These things are delicious. You can get them in strips or like big chunks. Strips are pretty long. But, all right. So there's that. All right, so what I'll do tomorrow at work, wait a minute. I'm also going to add just a little bit, don't ask, of honey mustard. I don't know. I did that before and it just kind of tastes good. All right. That was a little more than what I was planning on, but it is what it is. Okay. So now we have our Southwest, the veggies. And now on this meat, I'm going to add, I have some fajita seasoning. I'm going to put a little of that fajita seasoning on the ground beef. We've seasoned up the veggies. And now we need to season up our meat. So this is some Southwest Ranch. Let's add a little bit of Creole seasoning. We might need salt. I have no idea. We'll deal with that tomorrow because I keep salt at work. So there we have it. Lunch is going to be a Southwestern bowl and an apple. And breakfast, I will have my ground pork, eggs and cheese, and avocado. And I'll get my spoon just a second. I just kind of got to get it started here. There we go. And I'll drop the spoon down into it. So, that is another way I use my ground beef. I know one of you had said, I'm excited to see all the different ways you use your ground beef. Well, I do Asian, I do Southwestern, I do like a burger bowl, I do Italian. I just kind of do it based on whatever I'm in the mood for. And if I don't like it tomorrow, I'll eat it anyway. I'll say, tough titty, said the kitty. Now eat it. Okay, bye. Hello, it's breakfast time. I have my little bit of avocado. I mush it up. It's my half serving of frozen avocado. And then got my eggs. I added water to them today before I microwaved them the first go around. I've heard that it kind of can fluff them up, and it did. So, hot but good. I'll see you at lunchtime. I tell you, today, Terry, always appreciates meal prep day, Terry. Because I never know what I made, but when I open it up, I'm always like, oh, good job, Terry Bear. Good job. So, we got our meat. And now I'm going to stir this up. Actually, I'm going to put the lid back on and shake it. Hang on. Okay, let's taste it. I mean, it's Southwestern. Anything Southwestern's gonna be good, right? I mean, come on now. You get ground beef and salsa and some cheese and veggies. You know it's gonna be good. Let's see. Come here, give me a hunk of something. Hunk of something. Good job, Terry. You done a good job. I'm proud of you. Yep. So remember, Be good to your tomorrow self and give yourself something good to eat. And lastly, for supper, we are having some rutabaga soup. This is good stuff. I don't remember how I made it. I just have to depend on meal prep day Terri. It's good though. I'm telling you, you really got to take care of yourself because meal prep today, Terri really loved meal prep lunch. So I appreciated last night, Terri. So make choices for your future self that your future self is going to like. Whether that means good food or making the hard decision to not take a bite of a wedding cake that somebody brings into your work that's really pretty and looks very tasty, but you know if you took a bite, it could cause you some issues. So just saying no to cake can be a good way to help your future self. So always be nice to your future self. It's like after I'm done with this, I got to put all them dishes into the dishwasher. And I don't want to. Today, Terri doesn't like to do that. But I got to. So be nice to your future self, okay? Oh, yeah, and this, jibber jabber, this is that pork belly and cabbage. I appreciate past Terri for this one too. And some fruit. So that's what I'm having for supper. All right. Be nice to yourself and take care of your future self. Bye.